Hello, in this video we show you the location and how to remove and replace the oil pressure switch on Volkswagen cars with a 1.9 TDI engine. The oil pressure switch is located on the oil filter housing, so in order to get to the oil filter housing, which is right there, we need to remove the air intake hose that goes from the turbo all the way to the intercooler. In order to take the air intake pipe out, we need to remove the air filter box because it's in our way. And now we try to take the air intake pipe out. Now that we've removed the air intake pipe, we have access to the oil filter housing and the oil pressure switch. To remove the oil pressure switch, first we need to disconnect the connector of the oil pressure switch, and then we use a wrench to unscrew the oil pressure switch and remove. And that's the oil pressure switch out. We can put on a new pressure switch. If the video was useful, consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.